say Get Ready With Me Part 2 for soccer. You know? Stop. Okay, if you didn't know, I'm listening to Josiah because like I love him. He's amazing. I love the song. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some little bows in my hair. Okay, so here's the bow. It's up here. If you didn't know, my number is 11 because I literally have it on my jersey and my belt and my shorts. Okay, so I fixed it and I added like. Now I'm gonna add some gel, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put on this Summer Fries Duke from Five Below. Also, can we talk about this lighting? Okay, I got my sweatpants too to like wear after because I'm going to my friend's game and she's coming to mine. So I forgot my socks upstairs. They should be on my chair. Yep. Okay, this one for my shin guards. Okay, just finish that.